one question. So he has more than two Dhana Yogas in his natal chart, but he is leading very ordinary life. Okay. Now the question is why it is happening so. There are two Dhana Yogas, so he must be very rich. So let us understand, let us don't go into the deeper meanings of what is this dhana. Dhana means in present context, let us understand this, that as money which can buy things, which we can buy things in the market. Okay, in terms of money, he is not a rich person. He is not a billionaire or a more than that. That is what his idea, even though he has 2 or 3 dhana yogas in his natal chart. Okay. So the same doubt many of you might be getting. Here is the answer for that. Generally, basically, minimum 2 planets are needed to form one yoga, and maximum there is no limit. Okay, minimum 2. Minimum 2 planets are needed to form any yoga, say Dhana Yoga, or let us in present context, let us say Dhana Yoga and Raja Yoga, minimum 2 planets are needed. Okay, there are 2 Dhana Yogas or 2 Raja Yogas. Which yoga will fructify first? Among those 2, so let us say for 2 Dhana Yogas, maximum 4 planets are there. Let us assume. Which planet is most powerful among them? Which planet is most powerful among them? During its dasa, this yoga will fructify. Either that Dhana Yoga or that Raja Yoga, Dhana Yoga, Raja Yoga will fructify during its Mahadasa. The other yoga will go waste. It serves no purpose. Say, what if the Mahadasa of the strongest planet is not coming in your life? It means both Dhana Yogas are wasted. Don't assume that if one yoga fails to work, the other yoga works. This kind of assumption is wrong. Yogas, very strict rule, they work during the Mahadasa of the strongest planet. They give results subject to the prevailing transits on that date. If that Mahadasa is not coming in your life, that yoga becomes null and void.